Now during colder autumn days, not to mention incoming winter days, getting dressed in the morning can sometimes be super stressful, especially if you haven't planned in advance what are you gonna dress for that day. To prevent these moments from happening, the best thing to do is to have a certain outfit formula that works for you. So for that reason, in today's video, I created for you 4 different outfit formulas, and maybe some of them inspire you to do something similar. So let's start. During these colder months, I absolutely adore to wear blazers. As you can see, I'm wearing one right now. But I would actually wear a blazer on the place of a sweater or cardigan or anything similar. So in this style formula, I have boots, trousers and cinched blazer. In this example here, I'm wearing my Zara cream boots, black Zara trousers and really old H&M oversized blazer. I cinched the blazer of course because I really love cinched waist. I just love how it adds a slight dose of classiness to the overall look. Even though these black trousers are adding something, let's say, formal to the look, it is the way how I cinch the waist that looks a little bit effortless and undone, that pairs down this look just tiny little bit so it doesn't appear to be that formal. This look you can easily wear for work, but also you can dress something like this for a night out. But for those of you who don't prefer to wear your heeled boots during every day, I totally understand you. Then you can go after something flat. So for example, I kept the same formula, and in this example I'm wearing my flat knee-high boots, blue H&M jeans and this oversized black blazer. And you can see how this formula works equally on a little bit more dressed up version and a little bit dressed down version. Since brown is one of the hottest tones for this autumn-winter season, I had to create this example as well. So here I mix these black and brown tones. I'm wearing these brown mango boots, same black trousers from Zara and this old H&M brown blazer. This is again oversized blazer. All of these blazers that I'm wearing are oversized, but to create this formula your blazer doesn't necessarily have to be oversized blazer. It can also be a certain structure blazer. But yeah, you can see just how easy it is to create multiple examples by just using this formula of styling boots, trousers and blazer together. I absolutely love it. It is such a comfortable and easy go-to way of styling. And to create your style formula, what you want to do is to base it around the pieces that you absolutely adore to wear. So all of these pieces that I included in this formula are some of my favorite pieces that I absolutely adore to wear during these colder months. In my formula number 2, I swapped trousers for midi skirt. So my second formula is made out of boots, midi skirt and any sweater or cardigan on top. In these examples, I styled this midi skirt with creamy boots and creamy sweater on top. What I like to do is, when I'm wearing this midi skirt, I actually prefer a side tuck over a front tuck. I believe that side tuck adds something so chic to the look. But for a little bit more streamlined look, I went after a black skirt, black boots and a sweater on top. And you can see how easy it is to mix around all of these pieces. Like, I have no issue while trying to mix around all of these cream, black and brown tones, simply because they are so interchangeable together, and creating a style combinations out of them goes with such an ease. I also have this example where I style my brown boots. They again work perfectly fine with this beautiful satin midi skirt, and on top of this oversized chunky turtleneck sweater I again did this side tuck, and this is such a beautiful yet elegant way how you can dress easily without even having to give a thought what are you gonna wear. So you can see how by creating a style formula you're going to start adding up different style combinations on top, simply because once you create one certain formula, then the rest of the style combinations will just keep on adding. So that's why I love this way of styling, especially now for this time of the year. in this style formula, you can see how you can style any boots with a jumper dress, and this is one of the easiest style formulas. There's nothing easier out there, honestly. I absolutely adore this example where I'm wearing these black knee-high boots, black ties, and then black oversized jumper dress on top. I just love this look. It is such an easy look, so effortless, and I would actually finish this look with a cream coat, because let's face it, I'm wearing everything black from head to toe, so just to break down that black monotony, it is good to add something that comes in different tone. So I would go after a cream coat. If you have a brown coat, something like that would also work perfectly. But your jumper dress doesn't have to be mini length. If you have, or if you prefer midi length, absolutely go ahead, wear those. They're definitely a little bit more elegant than these mini length jumper dresses, but nevertheless I love them both. Then if you want to elevate a look, you can also do that by adding heeled boots. In this example, I'm wearing these cream boots and this creamy jumper dress. Again, such a beautiful example. But I do have to say, in this example, I'm not wearing ties. I don't know where I left my skin tone ties, so I just want to put it out there. Of course, please wear your ties, it is needed, you don't want to get cold. And you can see just how easy it is to mix around all of these pieces, to change ties, to change boots, to swap sweaters around, and you can create limitless style combinations just by following this simple style formula. In my final and fourth style formula that I have for you today, I'm wearing sneakers, trousers, and a sweater or cardigan on top. So in this example, I am wearing these, I believe, H&M trousers. I absolutely adore those trousers. They're so smart looking yet elegant trousers, but yet also so comfortable. I simply adore them. I can easily dress them down or dress them up. So in this example, I obviously dress them down simply because I paired them with these Adidas sneakers. And on top, I'm wearing this really old cardigan from H&M. I just did a front tuck of this cardigan and then got myself such an easy, effortless look. This fourth formula is so easy simply because I can mix around so many different pieces and I can create so many different style combinations. So instead of cream trousers, I went after a black Zara trousers. These trousers have something so effortless, so I decided to follow that effortless note, and on top I popped on this cream v-neck jumper. I again just did a front tuck and that's pretty much it. I got myself super cool looking style, so effortless. But again, if you want something, let's say, a little bit more dressed up while having that comfort, what you can do is go after something monochromatic. So in this look, I went after this black turtleneck. I popped on this black belt. I'm still wearing the same Adidas sneakers, but yet this look feels in a way just tiny little bit smarter, simply because it is all monochromatic. And by adding that belt with that golden buckle, I just added a smart touch to the overall look. And yet again, such a simple look. Once you create your own style formulas around the pieces that you love to wear, you can create your own uniform of pieces that will always work for you. So no matter if you're, let's say, in the morning running late, you always know that you have your style formula, that you have a go-to uniform that always works for you. Honestly, creating this style formula was super fun for me, simply because once I created all of these 4 style formulas, within a certain style formula, I managed to create so many different style combinations just by mixing around all these pieces. Once you decide to do this yourself, what I would advise you is, whenever you create a certain style combination within a certain formula, then make a photo of each one of those style combinations. That would make it even 10 times more easier for you to get dressed. So yeah, that will be it in today's video. Please let me know down below which one of these style formulas you like the most. I honestly cannot decide. I love them all equally. So yeah, that will be it in today's video. Thanks all for watching and I see you all in the next one. Bye!